Hi everyone, welcome back to Beebeecrafts. Rachel here. I hope you're all well. My apologies for the delay in video this week. I've been a bit slow getting back on. We actually had some quite sad news in our family this week. We've had a bit of an unexpected family death. So I do apologise. It's been a few days, but anyway, so let's crack on. So I have some exciting news for you this evening. First of all, I have a bit of a show and tell. So Beebeecrafts been in touch. They wanted to send me some goods to share with you all. So I got to pick some items. So I had a good think about what I was going to be doing in the next 2 months. And I thought, right, so let's get some things that are going to be relevant. So first and foremost, I want to make some dangles. And I did buy myself a lovely set of these tools a couple of months ago. And then my son that's just gone off to university to do engineering actually pinched them. And I couldn't be cross because obviously he was doing it for his learning. But they have sent me a wonderful set of jewellery making pliers. So you've got the long nose ones here, as you can see, and they're self-sprung. That's what I like about them because it helps them with my grip. And then we've got the, excuse me, these ones here, which are, they've got little wire cutters on them, but they're actually the wire cutters. These are... golly, what would you say these are for? I don't know, but these are the ones I tend to use the most. So they just, in our house, they just get called grips. So that's what they are. Anyway, that's probably not their technical name. No, the technical name's not on there either. So already they feel very comfortable. I have had a little play with them, nice and sharp. But yeah, so we will be trying those out with a few things at some point later this month. So that's the first item. The second item that I ordered, I wanted to have a look at what their trims were like, because they do a selection of oh, I can't get in the bag, sorry, here we are, trims, fabric trims, such and so forth. Oh, this is sticky. Right, okay, well, I wasn't expecting that. So I wanted to have a little look and see what this one was like, because it looked rather interesting. Now, this is not at all what I thought it was. I will say that straight away. It actually feels like, it feels like silicone with bits of glitter and stones on it. Obviously, I thought it was like, perhaps maybe vial, or not vial, what do you call the, oh, I'm not being very clear here now, am I? You know, like Hessian, I thought it'd be like that, but obviously not that colour. But it's okay, it's just different, it just wasn't what I was expecting to come out of there then. So there's a good length of it in there. I'm going to suggest that there's possibly, let's not guess, let's have a little look. Oop, and it's still going. So I'm going to say that's probably 2 meters, am I right, or is that a meter? There we go. So there's 2 lengths there of that. Yeah, it's I was going to use it for trims, but obviously I thought it was fabric, so it's not quite what I thought it was, but that's okay. We'll have to think outside the box and we'll see what we can come up with that's crafty for that. But it's very shiny and shimmery. It would be actually very nice to use to wrap around jars if you wanted to decorate some nice jar. Actually, that's a really good idea. I need a nice jar to put my loose bits and pieces on my desk. So I might try that and then we'll see how it sticks. But we'll come back to that. So just a change of plan, not a problem. I also ordered some of these because I didn't have any. And these are book corners. And I'm going to be trying some of these out on... I'm sorry, I should have opened these first, shouldn't I? I'm going to try some of these out on my autumn journal this month, because if you don't yet know, we have a journal swap happening in our group. So it's an autumn journal swap. Oh, make sure you've got a set of grips next to you. Utilise them. There we go. Sorry, I know it's painful, isn't it? So I'm trying to watch us open and stuff. Oh, there we go. My gosh, I made hard work of that, didn't I? Okay, so once we're in, we have got nice, ooh, look at the selection in there. Right, okay. My goodness, there's a heap of them in here. So I will put the codes for these into the description box in my video. So if there's anything that you were after, or that you've been looking for, or that you wanted to try out from there, you'll be able to do that without having to trawl through. So yeah, we've got quite a selection actually here. Different book corners. We've got some itty bitty ones here. We've got some different itty bitty ones. We've got some larger ones. So they're the same, aren't they? I think they're all the same. And those. And those. And those. And those. There's blanks. Like these, yeah. Pop them in there. So yeah, they're the really big ones. Then there's another size there. Gosh, there are loads and loads of them in here. I'm not entirely certain how many. It doesn't say. Does it say? No, it doesn't. And I'm not going to count them because I'll be a little bit long. But yeah, really nice selection. I like this one here. That one's a bit different, isn't it? If I can, oh, get it in my hand. What is it? There you go. Look at that one there. It's quite funky. So we'll be trying some of those out this month. But I definitely want to try those on my autumn swap journal. So whoever ends up with me as a swap, you can double check and remind me to make sure I put my book corners on. Okay, so that's that, that's that. Put that under there, that's that. Okay, so the next thing that I requested was a die cut set. Because I didn't have one that had, you know, I wanted something with some leaves and some flowers in for use with autumn. So that's all of the different shapes on there. We will give that a go. I love this one here, this like tall grassy one. But we'll be giving those a go and we'll see how we get on. We'll see if the die cuts are up to cut the mustard, as they say. Yeah, so they're any good. And I will let you know if they're nice and sharp. There's nothing worse than a non-sharp die cut, is there? And then finally, I requested, let me move those out of the way a minute. I'm going to drop them. Some lovely stencils because I was short on some good stencils and these are really good size ones. So I'm just looking for a blank piece of paper perhaps. Oh, maybe you can see on there. So this one here is a nice floral-y pattern. You can see that there. Some lovely big flowers in it. And then this one here, again, I think they're mostly florals. That was the one thing I was lacking, so I wanted to try and use them for some texture paste, but I did use one in my recent journal, the last autumn one. I did use one to back one of the plain pages that I had, and that was great. That came out really nicely. I was really pleased with that. And then that one there, that one's lovely. Look at that. I think they look like roses, don't they, on there? So yeah, that's those. So that's a set of 4 large stencils on me. And of course they do a whole A4 sheet of paper. So these items have come from Beebeecrafts. I will put the links below in the description box, and I will be trialing them through this month. So if you are interested in seeing how these are used, I will put them in the picture on the front of my video. So if there's anything that you specifically wanted me to do something with them, or if there's something you specifically want me to test, please let me know and I will do that for you. Now, more exciting news. We are almost, she says, tentatively, within touching distance of our 10,000 subscribers. So, you guys have been amazing, absolutely amazing, so patient. We've had the most chaotic summer, and I've not been the most regular on here. And a huge thank you to you all for all your lovely comments that you left on my recent video. Really appreciated the support, so thank you very much for that. But yes, we are almost at the 10,000 subscribers. Very exciting. So whilst we journey our way there, I thought, I know, let's do some giveaways. Now, I know you're not all here for the giveaways, but it's nice sometimes to have a little bit of excitement. So for the next 10 videos that I do, each video will have a giveaway, and each video will do the draw of the previous video's giveaway. Does that make sense? So you don't have long. So in order to enter this giveaway, you just need to leave a comment below, and that's it. You can tell me anything. You can ask me anything. You can just say hi. It doesn't matter. You just need your name caught below. So when I do the comment picker, preferably something polite, obviously. I don't no sad faces or anything on there. But yeah, so today's giveaway prize is going to be a pack of our vintage papers. Now, as you know, Bella and I have an Etsy shop, Beebeecrafts, and we do sell packs of vintage papers. I'm just reaching over here because I've got a loose pack out that I've had on the side of my desk to show you the examples of some of the stuff that we have in our paper packs. But yes, these are very, very old papers from very, very old books. Lovely, you know, aged sheets of paper there, book pages, that's the word I'm looking for. Some lovely poetry. That's, I think, in, I don't know, that's a very old font on there, and it is in another language. We've got some more poetry stuff here. There's some hymns and stuff there. Is that, no, that's in English. I was going to say, I know there's a Welsh hymn sheet in here. There's also a Polish book page in that pack there as well. But yeah, so the stuff in the pack looks very like this. Obviously, they're not all exactly the same because we've had loads and loads of packs. But yes, so that's very exciting. So in order to enter today's giveaway, you just need to leave a like and a comment below. That's it, okay? And then I will draw this at the next video. I'm going to do a quick draw and then we'll do a different giveaway. So that's the first one. That's the first video there. The other thing I wanted to just share with you all as well was our recent Digi that's gone up. I've actually had to play with these. There is 2 missing because they went with the last journal. But we've made some new lovely tags. I did start these last year and then got completely distracted and wandered off and forgot. I did the first 4 and then used them in the project. I do believe it was this time last year as well. It was last October. And then someone said, oh, where do you get them from? I was like, oh yeah, I haven't finished them yet. And then I just kept forgetting. So anyway, they're all done now. There's a whole set of them. I think there's 12 of the tags. They've got different verses on. And obviously I've just backed mine and stitched them and put a little tab on them just to give you an idea what you can do with them. But they are now in our shop, okay? So that's one of the kits that will be coming out now this month. I do apologise, I'm a little late on the monthly kit. As I say, it's been a bit of a hectic week. It should be out within the next few days, but obviously I will do a video and let you all know. Now the last very exciting bit of news is, drumroll, we put out a little message a couple of months ago, letting you all know that we were going to be putting a new design team together, a new quarter. You know, we tend to do them for a term at a time, and I asked for you to get in touch with me if you were interested in joining. If you have not yet heard from me but you contacted me, please contact me again because I've obviously not picked up your message. I had messages through email, I had messages through Instagram, I had messages through Facebook, I had messages in my Facebook Messenger, all over the place. And yeah, just getting them all together, I was a bit worried that I was going to miss somebody out. So if you haven't heard from me and you did contact me and you wanted to join the design team, please just drop me a message. Probably best thing you can do is do it through Instagram because I tend to get those quicker. On our Facebook page, that's like the Rachel Bella Crafts page as opposed to the group. In the page, sometimes I don't always get those, but they're a bit slow coming through. But Instagram, definitely get them straight away. So if you do want to drop me a message and I've missed your message, please just let me know. But huge congratulations to all those that were selected for this time round. We have got some fantastic new design team members to introduce to you. So I'm going to do a little reel now at the end of my video here, just to give you a little hi, you know, so you can say hello to them, you know who they are, and if you wouldn't mind going and following them on their various social media channels. Now, they won't all be on YouTube, so we've done it a little bit differently this time. Some of them are Instagrammers and a very good Instagram followings, you know, they've got rather large followings on Instagram, and they are super talented, this team, all of them. Again, you know, we've been so fortunate. This is our kind of second time around now putting a team together, and the first team that we had were amazing. They were so amazing, I kept them for nearly a year. Not supposed to keep people that long, but no, they did. They were wonderful. And now we've got another new team, so it'll be great. It'll be great for us to, you know, work together, find out about each other's styles and things, and just to bring you lots of ideas of different things that you can do with our kits. So I'm going to leave you to them now. This is our design team for this next period of time, however long that may be, and I hope that you will support them. All their links will be in the description box below. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and look out for more information from Beebeecrafts. Thank you ever so much, everybody. I will see you very soon. Take care now. Bye.